We're making the perfect spring meal, Apple Kale Crunchy Salad. About 1.5 cups of chopped red cabbage. This is about 1/4 head. About 6 cups of chopped kale. 1/2 cup of celery. 2 tablespoons of chopped green onion. And 1 finely diced apple. 1/2 cup of toasted chopped walnuts. And then add protein to your salad, so we've chose chicken. Now we're gonna make our Apple-dijon dressing. 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 packets of Splenda, and salt and pepper to taste.